This class we are going to learn at features of Python. Remember, we are still at PalmOps Foundation, Elite Schools, and we are doing computer practical skills for all. And now we are making computing easier through making also computer programming easier. And now we are dealing with the Python. This is Martin Ahebwa. This is my number at the same time. This is my email address. So let us continue. Features of Python. Features of Python. We are saying that the latest release of Python is 3 something. So the X, I'm saying that it is 3 point something, as mentioned before, as how I said 3.11, then 0.2. So as mentioned before in the previous video, so Python is one of the most widely used languages on the web. I'm going to list a few of them here, so let us see them. So we are saying that number one, we are saying that easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language quickly. For example, the structure, we are saying that print, open brackets, that is print function, print hello world in quotes, then press enter. So then run in the compile and your word will be run, meaning that it is easy to learn. Next, easy to read. Like from the example I'm from giving you, just print function, then read. It is easy to understand, meaning that it is easy to read. Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. So easy to maintain. Python's source code is fairly easy to maintain. A broad standard library. Python has a bulk of portable and cross-platform libraries, and they are compatible with Unix, that is operating systems, Windows, and Macintosh. So we have interactive mode. Python has support for an interactive mode that allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of code. So we are also continuing to say that portability. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. We are saying that extendable. You can add low-level modules to Python interpreter. These modules enable programmers to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. So it's extendable. You can extend. So we are saying that the databases, Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. So graphical user interface programming. Python supports graphical user interface applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries, and operating systems such as Windows, then MFC, Macintosh, and the X Windows system of Unix. Then we are saying that scalable. So Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. So we are learning. This is programming for the beginner. We are understanding what is Python and we are learning it in depth. We are getting to understand what is Python and what it is all about, meaning that by the time we become senior programmers in Python, we will be doing what we all understand. So let's continue. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin here at PalmOps Foundation. So let us continue. You can download, so downloading Python. You can download Python from its official website. So what is its official website? That is it, www.python.org, then downloads. This is where you can go and download the latest version of Python to your operating system. So my friend, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Continue to share, continue to like as we do make computing easier here at PalmOps Foundation. I'm still your friend, Ahebwa Martin.